We are back with this month. Get ready to dive into the world of NHS monthly news headlines this year, filled with inspiring stories, activities, updates, features, and insights into the life on campus. I am Bhuvananjan.
I am Jayshree of grade 7. Here are the headlines. On 9th August, our high school boys team participated in dodgeball competition.
The power of mentorship. Teachers Day reflected on 5th September 2024.
Fire safety workshop for secure future was held on 5th and 6th September 2024.
Eco-friendly Ganesh Chaturthi was celebrated on 14th September.
Round Test 2 PTM was conducted on 14th September 2024.
Inter-school Kabaddi tournament held in Davangere from 15 to 18 September.
Blue Day was celebrated on 21st September.
Dodgeball competition. On 9th August 2024, the students of NHIS from grade 9th to 10th actively participated in the dodgeball competition, which was held at the Podar International School campus.
The event was organized by Dodgeball Association of Karnataka.
Date September 5th, 2024. If there were no teachers, all the other professions would not exist.
On 5th September 2024, NHIS school organized Teachers' Day on birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, former President of India.
All students decorated their classrooms, gave their teachers roses and gifts. Along with the teachers, the principal Umashankar sir, founder of NHIS Krishnamurthy sir, Secretary Ms. Purna ma'am, Executive Director Hema ma'am, Chief Guest Dr. Krishnamurthy Raj, Professor and Dean of Center for Economic Studies, Policy, ISEC, and Dr. H.N. Devanand, Assistant Professor of Center for Rural Development Studies, Bengaluru University, were present at the function.
The function started with the students of class 10 singing Saraswati Vandana, and soon after that, Mridula of grade 10 gave a speech on Teachers' Day and how Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan contributed to society.
The main attraction of the function was our young and dynamic Secretary Ms. Purna ma'am, who hosted the event. There was a cake cutting soon after the speech. Our chief guest, Dr. Krishnamurthy sir and Dr. H.N. Devanand sir spoke about the importance of education, how to manage the time and plan accordingly.
Secretary Ms. Purna ma'am acknowledged the exceptional teaching faculty comprising of teachers named with their innovative pedagogy, creativity, academic excellence, their enthusiasm, sparks by creating customized nicknames to all the teaching and non-teaching staff, and gifted mementos as give away to all the teaching and non-teaching staff.
पाठशाला पाठशाला पाठशाला
Class on! General salute, salute!
Myself, Sulati Jayram Pere. Happy Teachers' Day. It's a pleasure to welcome you to the NHS campus, sir.
पाठशाला
This special day gives us the opportunity to honor and express our gratitude to those who dedicate their lives in nurturing, educating, and shaping the future of our nation. Yes, let's pay the respect to him by adopting his policies and acts of behavior in teaching. Now, I request all the dignitaries and our teachers to inaugurate this devotional program by offering the flowers to the portrait and to pay the respects for our legendary inspiration, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan sir.
पाठशाला वो 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 देश ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ
Let's add up more glare by taking ourselves with the pledge to abide with more responsibilities. I will dedicate myself to nurturing creativity and innovation in the classroom.
ಕನಸುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಡೆದ ಜಾಗ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಡೆದ ಜಾಗ
On this Teachers' Day, let us express our gratitude to all the teachers who have made a positive impact on our life.
They have not only created knowledge, they have created humans. Even though we born without learning anything, but the teachers who shape us.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಏನು ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸೇನೆ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಹಣೆಬರಹವನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು.
ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ ಅವನೂನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ.
Fire Safety Workshop. A fire safety workshop was conducted for teachers by the R.A. Mundkar Fire and Emergency Service Academy, Jayanagar Fire Station, dated from 2nd to 3rd September 2024.
P. Instructor Savita Basu ma'am, Mrityunjaya sir and Science teacher Sangeeta ma'am and Veda ma'am attended the workshop. The goal of workshop was to equip educators with knowledge and skills necessary to handle fire emergencies in schools.
The sessions covered fire prevention techniques. Teachers were informed about the common cause of fires in school, including improper storage of flammable materials, electrical faults. Strategies were discussed for minimizing these risks, including regular equipment inspections, safe storage practices.
So many things are there. Okay, apart from that, but hope you have learned lot of subject related to fire. In fire, you have learned about evacuations, like LPG fire. Also, you learned many things. You learned. Hope you are going to teach your students related to what you have learned. So thank you for coming.
Ganesha Festival. Ganesha Festival was celebrated with great enthusiasm at NHIS on 14 September 2024. The school management, teaching staff and non-teaching staff all came together to celebrate the occasion of Ganesha Chaturthi.
The festival concluded with the immersion of the idol. Keeping in mind the importance of the environmental sustainability, the school organized a small eco-friendly immersion ceremony in an artificial pond created within the school campus.
गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे कुलगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्र.
Round test 2 PTM. PTM was conducted on 14 September 2024 to announce the results of RT2 from pre-nursery to grade 10, discuss the strength and weakness of the student and steps to be taken to improve their results in exams. Our toppers badged from their parents along with Principal Umashankar sir and Secretary Ms. Poorna ma'am to acknowledge and congratulate their efforts. It was a proud moment of our toppers.
Inter-school Kabaddi competition. CBSE cluster level inter-school kabaddi tournament was held in Davangere on 15 to 18 September. The students of grade 9th and 10th actively participated. The event was held in Bapuji Higher Primary School.
Blue Day. The kindergarten sections of our school celebrated Blue Day on 21st September 2024. It was a pleasant and cool blue day for our tiny tots.
The significance of blue color was reiterated through a series of activities. Excitement and enthusiasm was visible everywhere as the children and teachers came dressed up in different shades and hues of blue. The children were introduced to different shades of blue.
An array of blue colored objects like umbrella, doll, flowers, cloud, etc. were displayed. It was indeed visual treat to see the good effect.
Early identification of colors helped to create a cognitive link between the visual clues and words, which is an important part of a child's development.
Midterm exam was conducted for grade 10 students from 24 September to 1st October. NHLS School Exams Committee took all the responsibility to conduct exams smoothly.
Exam arrangements. Exam materials were distributed to invigilators and proctors.
Exams rooms were set up and verified for security and integrity.
Technical equipment was checked for smooth functioning.
Invigilators and proctors were ensured the students were followed the exams rules.
Timing and scheduling were strictly adhered to.
Any irregularities were promptly addressed.
Answer scripts were collected and secured. So this was for the month. Empowering minds, enriching lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, stay informed.
Here at the event for the October month, Gandhi Jayanti,
Summative assessment.
Dasara,
Until then, signing off. Bhuvananjan K.
Jai Shri H.